Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 anti-aging tips to help your eye area appear more youthful using only clean products. So I hope you guys find today's video helpful. Thank you for watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli and I am a mom of 2 precious girls, and I am here to help you find safer products that really work. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. So, as you probably know, the area here around our eye can really start to show some signs of aging, and I am here today to share 5 different ways that you can turn back the clock a little bit and age a little bit more gracefully using products that are going to help nourish your skin and not cause any damage to the sensitive skin area around your eyes. So let's get started. My first tip for you guys today is to always make sure to remove your makeup before going to bed. There's a lot of different reasons for this, one of them being that if your makeup settles in to your fine lines, it can really start to bring those out, make them more noticeable. It can also clog your pores and lead to other skin issues. And if you are leaving mascara on your eyes, it can actually lead to infections and other nasty things. So we definitely want to remove our makeup before bed, and there is a right and a wrong way to do that. If we are scrubbing and really, causing a lot of friction and things like that as we're removing our eye makeup, we can actually damage this very sensitive skin around our eyes. So my favorite way to remove my eye makeup is by using the makeup pads by Clean Circle. So I like these a lot for quite a few different reasons. One of them being the sustainability aspect. They are reusable. You can rewash them. They come with a laundry bag so they don't get lost in your laundry. So that is one of the main reasons that I love them, because of the sustainability aspect, but I also really love them because of how soft this product is. It is so gentle on our skin, just beyond soft. And it also has this nice pocket here, which could really help to dial in exactly where you want this pad to go, which can cause less damage, can just really very gently get all of that makeup off. And you're doing it with just a really gentle product. So I actually did not wear makeup today, so I don't have any makeup to remove, but I did do a video showing exactly how to use this product, so I will make sure to link it so you can see how these work. They are really awesome. That would definitely be my very first tip for us, is to always make sure we are removing our makeup. Okay, so let's say I just removed my makeup. I have this nice makeup-free face. My next tip for you guys would be to treat your eye area with a mask. Eye masks can really powerfully pack nutrients into this area without causing damage and being very gentle. So my favorite eye mask is also from the company Clean Circle. This one is called the Days Off Depuffing Dissolvable Eye Mask. Let me say that again. Days Off Depuffing Dissolvable Eye Mask. I think I got it that time. So dissolvable, that's a really neat word. These are super sustainable because as soon as you get done with them, you put them in water and they go away, they dissolve. So you're leaving a smaller footprint whenever you are using this product. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and get this on my face so you can see how they work. So I like to recommend keeping my eye masks in the refrigerator because then as I am putting them on, not only is it going to help with the depuffing even more, it also feels so satisfying. So definitely a tip for you guys. So if you can see how fabulous and slimy these are. They're so full of this nice serum. And they do come with a little scooper tool. So let me go ahead and scoop one out and get it on. So there are actually two different ways that you can wear these eye masks. So I'm gonna put them on in both of the different ways just so you can kind of see. So one way is you can put the skinnier side up through here and the larger side over through here. So if you are wanting to have more of the area covered right through here, this is one great way to apply them. Now you can also apply them with the exact opposite. You can put the larger side over through here. So if you've got more of those dark circles and things that you would like to focus on, get that bigger chunk right in through there. And I also feel like I have less slipping whenever I have it on this way. I also feel like they stay on a lot better if I don't have a bunch of product on my skin already. So I like to do this as my second step in my routine, just to make sure that they stay on. And I am usually double tasking, multitasking as I am wearing these masks, because you get to enjoy them for 15 minutes. So usually I am, doing other things to start getting ready for bed, helping out the girls, doing other things while I have my masks on, loving on my skin. So I am not going to sit here and talk to you for 15 minutes. I am going to share just a few of the key ingredients though in these eye masks, just because they're really, really neat. It has niacinamide, which can help to brighten. Turmeric can help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and help even out your skin tone. It also has pumpkin seed in it, which can hydrate and balance your skin. And I am probably gonna pronounce this one wrong, but I'm gonna do my best. Glucosamine nourishes and helps defend skin from environmental stressors. My phone is telling me I have low battery, so sorry if it just cut out on us. The Irish moss can help to enrich skin with protective moisture. So lots of really nourishing ingredients, really loving on my skin. See this side, I feel like if I have it like this, it starts to slip down, and this side, it doesn't slip down. So if you are having that issue, if you've got just really nourished skin, I would recommend placing your eye mask on like that. And it can kind of help to cover up those dark circles and really start to penetrate into those as well. So this is how I like to wear mine most of the time. But if you just really want to get that skinny tip right in there, you can wear it like that as well. So, okay, I'm gonna go get a couple of things done in the house for the next 10 minutes, and I will be back to show you what my skin looks like after this fabulous treatment. Okay, I am back. I have been enjoying these eye masks. I unfortunately did not have these in the fridge before I put them on, but they are still super satisfying, and I love that I'm able to do some things while I'm loving on my skin at the same time. Now, I'm gonna show you what my skin looks like underneath after having these on my skin. So here we go. I mean, check out that glow. Can y'all see that? Oh, I love these masks. Okay, let me get this other one off real quick. And I will be dissolving these into water very soon. Wow. I love the glow. Okay, that was tip number 2. These can really do a lot to help the overall appearance of your eye area. So my next tip is to use facial cups. I don't know if you've ever heard of facial cups or not, But facial cupping can really help to restore elasticity and collagen levels underneath your skin, can also help to depuff and get rid of dark circles. So I like to use a little small facial cup. So I am using the ones from Main 40. My sweet friend Anita is actually the founder of Main 40, and I'm so proud of all that she has been able to accomplish, and her facial cups are truly amazing. What I like to do is I like to just do some very small suctions underneath my eye area. Remember, this area is delicate and we do not want to do too much, but I'm using the serum that was still on my skin after the fabulous eye masks. So I'm helping that serum to be able to be absorbed at an even deeper level while I am helping address fine lines, wrinkles, collagen production, all the things. So I just do this, back and forth about 3 or 4 times. And then I also like to target this area as well. This is where I get a little bit of that sagging. And that is how to use the small facial cup. You can also use the large facial cup right outside of your eye area here. What you can do is you can suction for a few seconds, hold for 2 or 3 seconds, and then lift. And this can really help with those crow's feet right next to the side of your eye. Okay, so that is another tip for us. 3rd tip, facial cups. Okay, tip number 4 is to make sure you have a really great eye cream. An eye cream is a product that is specific to the eye area because it is nutrient dense. It does have, a little bit of a thicker consistency to it, so you're not going to really want to put that on your entire face. And it is really, really packed full of really amazing ingredients that can help plump and fill in those fine lines. So I really like the Advanced Repair Eye Cream from OSEA. I did a video featuring this product a while back, so I can get that linked. I share all of the key ingredients and what makes it truly special. So I'm going to just go ahead and apply it for you now. So I use my ring finger and I just take a tiny little dollop. I have been using this jar for quite some time, and as you can see, I still have a lot left. So this product lasts a long time, which is really great for our wallets, right? Okay, so I am going to I actually got enough for both eyes from 1 dollop. And I just like to gently, gently press and tap this product into my skin to hydrate and nourish. I do like to add some up here to my lid. I'm not really sure why. I just have this one right eyelid that seems to sag for some reason. I think it's because I sleep on my right side, but I'm really honestly not so sure. So I have been really loving this eye cream. It's been helping a lot, and so has that facial cup. Okay, and that is it. My eyes are nourished, protected, full of really fabulous ingredients, and that was tip number 4. Tip number 5. So our brows and our eyelashes can really age us a lot as well. So if we're having thinning brows and lashes, definitely doesn't give us that youthful look. So what I like to do is I like to love on my lashes and brows every night using the 2 enhancing products from Dime Beauty, the Eyelash Boost Serum and the Eyebrow Enhancing Gel. So both of these products are packed full of amino acids and peptides that can help to strengthen, regrow, thicken both our lashes and our brows. So I'm going to show you how to apply them. So I've used a bunch of lash serums in the past. And I typically end up with super red, allergy-looking eyes, but not with the ones from Dimes. So I have a mirror right here. Let me go ahead and I just do one little sweep into my lash line here. And then I kind of like to just pretend like it's like a mascara and just kind of make sure I have my lashes really fully covered. So I don't know if you guys can just see, but this is a mascara free look here, and my lashes are just so thick and long. And then once I have the mascara on, my lashes go like almost all the way up to my brows. And it's really nice to be able to have them growing without having to use anything harsh, because I know, as we've chatted about, our eye area is super sensitive. So here we go, a little bit there. And then what I really like about the brow gel is that it has a little spoolie here, and it can kind of double as a like a setting gel. So I use this even whenever I'm not wearing any makeup, so that I can just first love on my brows and help to thicken them up a little bit. You know, back in high school, the look was to have the absolute thinnest brows as possible. So I've had a lot of regrowing work to do, and slowly but surely they are definitely coming back in, but it has been a little slow. But this product helps to regrow, and it helps to style and keep them in place all day long. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 product. Okay, let me do the other side. I kind of like to brush them up to make sure I'm getting all of the area, and then I just brush them back over. Get this one up a little bit. Help the saggy eye not look quite as saggy whenever I have my brows up a little higher. Okay, that was my 5 anti-aging eye tips. Remember, remove our makeup every single night. Use a eye mask, and I especially love these depuffing ones. Clean Circle does have a daytime eye mask as well. I did a video using that mask, and I can link that one if it is helpful. But these are just so unique and sustainable. You can use facial cups to help with elasticity and collagen around your eye area. Top it off with an eye cream to nourish, protect, and plump. And then don't forget about your lashes and your brows. So I hope those tips were helpful for you. If you would like to shop any of the products that I mentioned, I will have the links and the ways to shop and save. I do have some discount codes for some of these that I can share in the description. So, and please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to be able to chat with you and help to see which of these you might be able to incorporate into your routine, and how to get the biggest bang for your buck and all of the things. So just know that I am here, and I hope that you have a really blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.